This tutorial takes you through the settings to enable payment for online booking. If you haven't connected your Epical system to your Stripe account, there is another video that you can follow to do that. After you do that, you can head over here. Go to Settings, Local, choose Point of Sale. And you'll notice there's a new payment type called Stripe. Drag that over to the right. And then just below your payment types, you can apply a surcharge for the payment types. I've chosen 2%. Click on Save. Then head over to Appointment Book Settings. In the Appointment Book Settings, further down for your online booking section, there's another tick box that says Enable Payment for Online Bookings. Enable that. Now there's three fields. One is a threshold level where you set, I've set it at $60. What this means is that it will allow you to have two different percentages for $60 and above and below the threshold of $60. So what I've set here is when it's above $60, the minimum percentage of payment is 40%. Anything lower than $60, I'm requesting a full 100% payment. Now you can have these at 0% if you need, and when you have one of them at 0%, what will happen is there won't be any request on the online booking for any payment, and the booking will just be processed for confirmation. The other thing that we have is a test mode or a live mode. Now when you're in test mode, it gives you a test credit card number, and I'd suggest you just highlight, copy, and you can use that when you actually test the payment on the online booking section. When you finish, click on Save at the bottom. Now what I'm going to do is take you through the process of the online booking process so you can see what happens. This is the mobile version. When the client logs on, you go Request Booking. I'll choose a service. In this case, the service is under the $60. Go Next. Choose a date. Select staff. Time. Request booking. And that'll take you through to payment. Now because we've got 100%, it's not allowing any selection of deposit. Pay now. Paste that credit card number that I copied. Insert any future date will do. And the CVC number, any 3-digit number is fine. Pay. This is the Stripe payment processing side, and as soon as you get confirmation of payment, it will say it's successful. Go back to home page, and in my current bookings, it will show that you've made the booking and it's fully paid in this case. I'll go back now and select Request Another Booking, and I'm going to choose services that's going to be over the $60. So I've got 3 services. Go Next. date. Change the date if needed. Select staff. This is for the first service. Now when you go request booking, the total is well over the $60, and it gives you the option of selecting a deposit. And the minimum percentage is 40%. They can choose to go higher if needs to. If you're selecting 40%, and surcharge is automatically calculated. Pay now. Process payment. It's in test mode. It shows you that it is in test mode. Once it's processed the payment, it'll head over to a confirmation page as shown before. Back to home page. And in this case, in your current bookings, we'll see on those 22nd it says part paid. Okay, now we'll head over to your appointment book to go through on the left on your bookings. That's the first one made. You can see it's fully paid. So there's no need to do checkout. If you head over to the receipts, it'll show you that it's fully paid. In the appointment book on the other one, now it's not fully paid. What I'll do is approve that. And once the services are all completed, you go check out. You'll notice that it's saved the receipt, but it's red because it's only part paid. Add more products and the final payment, and when you click on save, it'll go off red as it will be fully paid. That's the process of the settings and what happens on online booking and your appointment book for Stripe online booking payment. Thank you.